Friends, if you are growing chrysanthemum or mums or guldaudi, this is the right video for you. Just watch the entire video. Very important video. This is the part 4 video of growing chrysanthemum. You see, this is the plant we have pinched earlier in this place. This is the middle portion you can see. The top one we have pinched off, and as a result, lots of new branches have come out. This is the point where we have pinched at the top portion, and then four branches have come out here. Again, I will show you in another plant. You see, this is the portion we have pinched off. So around 10 days back we have pinched off here, and I have uploaded a video in that time. Now the time you have to transplant in a bigger pot. This is a 5-inch pot, and this is the hole at the bottom. I am covering with a broken piece of pot here. This is the pot, and you can see the small hole at the bottom, and I am applying and I am growing the soil mix here. 70% garden soil, 30% compost, and little bit of hornmeal. So hornmeal contains lots of nitrogen that will promote the growth of the plant, and all the foliage of the plants will be grown from this hornmeal. So this is the, I am taking out the plant from the 3-inch pot, and you see this is the root ball. Lots of new branches and new roots are grown out, and I am removing the top soil at the top portion, and I am placing at the center of the pot. After placing it center of pot, I am filling up with the soil mix right now. And this is the right method of transplanting. You have to transplant it around 3 to 4 times, because if you do not transplant the pot from one pot to another, there may be some root bound problem. So you have to transplant it from time to time along with me, that I am showing you by part video. This is very important. Now 3 things is very important. After planting it, transplanting it, you have to water it properly, keep it in semi-shade area for a couple of days, and you have to save the plants from the rainwater. You have to save the plants from rainwater, because they may therefore, as a result, for the excessive rain, the plants may be rotten. So this is the plant I am grown, and after 5 days I'll show you what you have to do. 3 things you have to do after 5 days, and let it grow for 5 days, and after 5 days I am showing you what to do. Let's see what happens. Welcome back, friends. After 5 days, now you can see the plants are grown, and the plants are settled here in 5-inch pot, and the plants stems are grown a little bit, and the stems are elongated. And now time to pinch off again. You see, this is the insects are here. Some of the insects are here. You have to control the insects also. So first thing you have to do, you have to pinch off, so that you can get lots of new branches from each thing. So first thing you have to do, pinch off. I am showing you how to pinch off. The top portion, 2 to 4 leaves you have to pinch off. If you remove 2 leaves, that's okay. If you remove 4 leaves, then you can grow it again as a cuttings. You see, these are the small cuttings you can grow again. This is the time you can grow. There are enough time to grow these cuttings. If this is long, then you can grow it cutting also. But if you do not want, then you can throw away this pinched off cuttings here from here. So I am going to grow them again, so that I can get lots of plants here. So all the plants that have lots of branches, I am pinching off this here. And this is the first thing you have to do. You have to pinch off all the branches, so that from the lower part you can get 4 to 8 branches from here. And again after 15 days I will again pinch off, so that we can get lots of branches, and more the branches you get, more the buds will come, and you can get hundreds of flowers. So this is the first thing I am doing. Now the second thing is very important. You have to control all the insects here. So now these are the cuttings. I will grow again, and I will get lots of plants from here. But the second thing is more important. So you have to control the insects, because there are lots of white flies and some of the mealybugs attack. Here the Hamla. This is the Hamla 550. This is the combination of cypermethrin and chlorpyrifos. If you want, you can apply imidacloprid also. This is the cypermethrin chlorpyrifos mixture. So I will apply 1 ml per liter. So you have to apply every 7 days or 10 days. You have to control the insects. I am taking 1 ml in 1 liter of water. Hamla 550 1 ml per liter. 1 ml means 20 drops. If you count in drops, you can apply 20 drops per liter, and after that you have to spray on the whole the plants here, and you have to repeat it every 10 days because insect control is very important. I am spraying it properly. So this is very important part, and the next part is very important is to apply some fertilizer. That which fertilizer mix is very important in this stage. I am showing you the fertilizer mix that are applied. Before that I am spraying in all the plants of this insecticide. This is very important. Now the second part I am showing how to apply fertilizer. This is the mixture fertilizer. So this is the mixture of this fertilizer is a mustard cake powder along with the NPK 10 26 26 or DAP. If you have, then you can apply this. 60% is this mustard cake and 40% is NPK or DAP. This is the mixture. I am applying 10 26 26 as a NPK, and around half teaspoonful in one corner of the pot. You have to apply it as a pile of one half teaspoonful, and one side of the pot, see just at the middle of the pot you can see I am applying here. So in one part, don't spray it on all the part, just put it in one part of this pot, and after that you have to spray water or you have to apply water. So this is the thing you have to do. These three things is very important. You have to pinch off, you have to apply insecticide, and you have to apply fertilizer. This is the time, and after 15 days I will again upload a video, so what you have to do so that you can get lots of benches. So friends, hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I am going to upload it again, the part 5 of the video very soon, so that by time. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you.